Hello, this is Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install the Pace Edwards Ultragroove Metal retracting hard tonneau cover. We are installing this on a 2015 Ford F-150. This is the before. Now let's get started. The Ultragroove comes in two separate boxes. One contains the cover and the other contains the canister. All items in boxes come pre-assembled, making it easier for you. Currently, our handyman Joe is unboxing the side rails that contain T-slotted channels with end caps. The built-in T-slotted channel side rails allow for ultimate versatility, so you can connect the Pace Edwards utility truck rack, elevate truck rack, contractor rig truck rack, and so much more. Now Joe is currently unboxing the canister itself. This was a two-person job because it is sort of heavy. Look at that thing. Amazing. Also in the packaging comes clamp extensions, top cover foam, canister drain tubes, tailgate drain tubes, the clamp pack, the hardware, and the top cover of the canister. Tools required for assembly are a tape measure, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a side cut or needle nose pliers, a utility knife, masking tape, and a 532 Allen wrench. Now here we use the box itself to balance the canister in place, and then time to connect our side rails. To connect the side rails to your canister, line up the rail sill vertical between the third and fourth rib on the bottom of your side rail. Then hook the outside groove of the rail into the rail guide and rotate down until the rail and rail guide are level. Now push the rail all the way forward. Repeat on both sides. Now grab your rail screw, flat and lock washer, just like so. Insert into the hole on the side rails, like being shown in the video. This might cause you to get down and dirty. Simply screw into place. If the holes do not match up, take off your side rail and try again. Or simply you're just not far enough forward. Repeat on both sides. And just like that, your side rails are connected to the canister itself. Look at how beautiful that looks. Magnificent. Shut the tailgate and pull the rails back until the tailgate cap seals have good engagement with your tailgate. Next, we are marking where the front of the rails sit with duct tape. You can use masking tape. This will be a guide for placing your foam. Now pull the cover back until there is room to apply the foam. Securely clean where you'll be putting your foam to make sure it sticks. Lay the foam on the front sill of the truck from rail to rail, trimming the excess with a utility knife. Here we just tear it off because we're pros. Now scoot the rails and canister back onto the foam. Double check that your tailgate seal engagement is still good. Our side rail engagement is looking great. I wish we could say we're almost done, but as you can see there's still 6 minutes left, so let's keep going. Next we are just putting the tailgate drain fitting on the side rails. This easily slips into place. And now let's get started on the clamps. Luckily these are all labeled to where they should go. Slide the clamp extensions so they line up flush with the end of the clamp relief. Simply tighten with a 532 Allen wrench. Repeat on all four corners of your tailgate. Slide the clamp grip onto the clamp extensions toward the shim bracket on all 4 clamp extensions. Grab 4 turn knob bolts and 4 pivot arms. Rotate your pivot arm up towards your side rail and tighten knob until secure. If you're having a bit of a trouble rotating up, just follow what Joe's doing. He's doing great. This is what it should look like when it's finally done. Repeat on all 4 clamps. This is a little bit of a close-up of what should be happening while you're tightening the knobs. Looks great. Double check that your side rails are where they should be. Now we will be installing the kickstands. Unscrew everything. Insert the kickstand into the hole on the clamp, just like so. Place all your washers where they need to go. Slowly tighten and pull up. Your kickstand should lie flat against your bed wall, just like so, and securely tighten. And repeat on other side. Here we are just making the side rails look a little bit nicer. Now it's time to install the tailgate drain tubes. Find the holes that you can use in your truck and simply insert the drain tube down the hole and tighten onto the drain tube cap. And it should look like this when you're done. Repeat on other side. Now let's install the canister drain tubes. Ensure that the foam washer is in place on the drain fitting, as this washer will help prevent water leakage. Connect this to the bottom of your canister and tighten. Place the other end of the drain tube through the plastic rubber access port or through pre-drilled holes on the floor or front wall of truck bed. Repeat on both sides, and it should look like this when you're done. Attach the pull strap, and then test if cover works. Now it might be a little bit tough at first, but the next step should show you how to get it going. Open the provided 303 brand protectant sponge pack and wipe the underside of the sweep seal and the top of the wear strip. This should lube up your side rails, making it easy to use the retracting tonneau cover. Now let's install the top cover of the canister. Simply put in place and tighten screws. And just like that, your Ultragroove Metal is installed. Now this tonneau cover is low profile with a factory style look, made from heavy grade aluminum, making sure it is both strong and durable. Opens and closes with ease Number 1 on security, locks tightly over your tailgate and keeps water from leaking in. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep smiling.